you dance in the sunlight. I'll love you for centuries. Now you return to me, but you belong dancing with the sunflowers underneath the brilliant sky. Underneath the light of the sun, I belong in the dark. Underneath the moonlight, feelings that I've forgotten are reborn in my heart, like an ember spark into a bonfire of love and passion. I must have you by my side. You can dance underneath the moonlight with me for eternity. I know loving you it's wrong, but I will curse the world just to see you again. Your piercing blue eyes, your lovely smile, they light up the whole world. Your slight giggle brings me joy. I know if you will be with me, I shall suffer no more. Take my hand, I'll take you through the dark, through the trees, to my castle, the signs underneath the moonlight.